So probability of getting a spade is 13 upon 52, which is equals to 1 upon 4. And now probability of not getting spade is 3 by 4. So we are successively taking 3 cards, okay, out with replacement. If getting a card of spade is a success, what is the probability of success? The probability of success. First card will be spade. Second card will not be spade. Third card will not be spade. First card. So what we could do is normally it could be 1 minus not getting any spade on 3, or it could also be written as getting a spade, not spade, spade, getting spade, getting spade, getting not spade. This could be done in 3 factorial upon 2 factorial. This could be done in, this arrangement could be done in 3 factorial upon 2 factorial, and we have getting spade, getting spade, getting spade. So this could be done is 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. So we have 2 S note, 1 S note, no S note. So we can have, so this is 3 PS into PS dash whole square. This is PS dash whole square plus 3 PS into PS square into PS dash plus PS whole cube. So we have normally 3 into PS is 1 by 4, PS dash is 3 by 4 whole square plus 3 PS is 1 by 4 whole square, PS dash is 3 by 4, PS is 1 by 4 whole cube. So finally what we are getting is that this is 4 whole cube 27 plus 9 plus 1 37 upon 64 is the answer.